Hi everybody, Mrs. Smolakowski here. We're talking about slurs this week. What is a slur? A slur is when you play multiple notes in one bow. So I'm going to change my left hand fingers, but not change directions with my bow. This is actually a lot harder than it sounds because we have been used to coordinating the muscles in our hand to change at the same time as our left hand. And now it's a little bit of a tongue twister for our bow to not change when we put new fingers down. So when I do a slur, I'm going to show you nice and slowly. I'm going to stay down bow. And I added the first finger on the D string while doing the slur. That would be a 4-note slur. I played 4 notes in the same bow. If I was going to do the D scale with slurs, I would just choose how many notes I wanted to do in each bow, and I would think about when am I going to change my bow and plan it ahead of time. I would also want to make sure that I give each note the same amount of bow. So what I would start with would be 2-note slurs for D major. So I would think if I have 2 notes, each note is going to get half of a bow. And I would do down, up, all the way up and down the scale. It would look like this. I got all my coordination right. Maybe now I'll try 3-note slurs. Maybe I'll try 4-note slurs. I'll try the whole scale up and down in one bow. The more notes I want to put in a slur, the slower I'm going to move my bow and the faster I'm going to move my fingers to make it all end up correctly. If you think about the way we use the word slur, if someone is slurring their words, they're mixing up a lot of words together into one sound. And if you think about a Slurpee is a cold, delicious drink that's all different flavors and ice and everything all mixed together. The ice is not in chunks anymore. It's all, slurpeed together. So on your string instrument, a slur is when you have many different notes or 2 or more in the same bow. For a wind player, a brass player, or a singer, it would be doing many notes in one breath. And for a string instrument, our bow is our breath. In the music, a slur is a curved line over the notes or under the note, depending on which way the note is facing. And that tells you how many notes to do in the same bowing. So a slur is a bowing, and it's also an expression of keeping the notes together in one breath. I hope you enjoyed learning about slurs. If you have your instrument, you can try your D major scale with slurs. I would love to see it.